Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Vue or VueJS. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Vue is a JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. It builds on top of standard HTML or hypertext markup language, CSS or cascading style sheet, and JavaScript, and provides a declarative component-based programming model that helps you efficiently develop user interfaces of any complexity. Okay guys, so this is the definition of Vue.js, a very popular JavaScript build framework. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.